Doing good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my Instantly AI email marketing tutorial. Cold emailing can be a very time consuming and tedious task, and at the end of the day, you may not get the results that you are looking for. Well, what if I told you that with Instantly AI, you'll be able to increase the chances of you getting a better conversion rate with your email? In turn, you'll also be able to automate your outreach and so much more. Now, to get started with Instantly AI is completely free, and I will also be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. So you're going to tap on that link. After you have tapped on the link and you have entered your sign up information, which you can do with your email address, you don't need a credit card or anything like that. You'll be redirected to a page just like this. And from here, you can select where did you find them. And for example, let's say Google. Then you can select what best describes your industry. For this example, I'm going to select consulting and coaching. Then we'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, all you'll need to do now is verify your email. So I'm going to do that real quick and then we can continue the tutorial. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And the first thing you can do is you can add an email account to get started. So you could tap on add new. And from here, you can choose to either add an email account from Google or you can use their Microsoft Office 365 as you can see right there. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto Instantly AI, you can create your first email campaign by going over to the left-hand menu option and selecting campaigns. After selecting campaigns, you can see a quick draft right here. Now, what I want you to do, let's go back real quick. And we're going to tap on add new. After you have tapped on add new, from here, you can give the campaign a name. So I'm going to call it test. Then tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, from here, you can add leads. So you can tap on add leads. And you can choose to either use their lead finder or you can manually enter email addresses or you can upload a CSV file. So for example, if you were to tap on lead finder, from here you could go over to the left hand menu option and you could edit the filters. So you could search for CEOs and you can also scroll down and you could select location and industry right there. So you can search for CEOs or so on in particular industries. And from there, you'll be able to get the CEO name and you can also collect their email address. But to use this feature, you'll need to be on their paid plan. So that is one of the pullbacks when it comes onto Instantly AI and their free plan. Now let's say we were to go back and I'm going to tap on add new once more and I'm going to create a different campaign. So I'll tap on continue and instead we'll be adding our lead manually. So we'll tap on enter manually and from there you could type in the person's email address. So let's say I were to paste in someone's email address, and a good website that you can use to do research is hunter.io. With hunter.io, you can use their email finder. For example, I use Gymshark as an example in a tutorial that I did earlier, and you can see the different results right here. So with hunter.io, you'll be able to find a person's email address based on their position in the company and so on. So let's say, for example, I would like to email the person that is in charge of media. So I'll simply click right here to copy their email address. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back into Instantly AI. So let me do that real quick. Once I've copied the email address, I'm going to go back into Instantly AI and I'm going to paste the email address right there. After you have done that, you're going to simply tap here. Then you can tap on upload. Once it has been uploaded, from here, you'll be able to enter your subject. So you could type in your subject there. Then you could start typing. So let me do that real quick. I'll just type in test. Then I'll just say hello. After you have done that, you can tap on save. And by the way, you can see you can also access their different templates and so on. So if we were to tap on templates, you can see an example right here. And you can also choose from different categories by tapping on lead generation. You can see different categories right there that you can select from. Let's say we were to select this particular template to use. You can see how it looks right there. By tapping on preview, we can preview it and you can see how it looks there. And you can also send a test email if you want. So you could tap on send test email. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. Then you can select schedule and you can select when you would like to send it, as you can see right here. You can schedule the days of the week that you'd like to send an email, and you can also select the time, as you can see there. And we can select options and you can get further options. So you can choose to stop sending email. You can also track the open rate, so you could tap on enable right here and you will be able to track the open rate. You can also optimize delivery by tapping here. After you have done that, you can tap on launch and your email campaign will now be live. Another thing that you can also do by going over to the left hand menu option and tapping on Unibox. From here you'll be able to view all of your campaigns and all of the email addresses that you have logged in. You can also view your analytics, so you'll be able to see your open rate and your click-through rate and also your reply rate right here. And that's basically it when it comes on to Instantly AI. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.